This is our fourth example. In this example, we are going to purchase a laptop. The price of a laptop is 75,000 rupees and we have to pay a down payment of 1/3 of its price. So it is given as a fraction. First we have to calculate the down payment. Down payment is 1/3 of price. That means 1/3 multiplied by price of the laptop. So we will get the price as 25,000 rupees. We can calculate the loan amount by subtracting 25,000, which is the down payment, by its price 75,000. So the loan amount is 50,000. Now we can calculate the monthly loan amount. Total loan divided by number of months, 10. 5,000 is the monthly loan amount, but we have to pay a value of 5,412.5 as an installment. That means there is a difference of 412.5. That is the interest. Interest per month is the difference between actual loan amount. Interest per month is the difference between actual installment paid and the loan amount per month. 5,412.5 minus 5,000. That is 412.5. To calculate the total interest, we have to multiply the interest for a month by number of months. $4,125 is the total interest. Now, since we want to find the annual interest rate, we have to use this equation. Interest per month unit. Total interest is 4,125. To calculate for a month unit, we have to divide this value by number of month units. Before that, we have to calculate number of month units. Number of months, 10. 10 into 11 divided by 2. That is 55. Monthly loan amount. Monthly loan amount is 5,000 rupees. When we simplify these two values by 5, we have 11 here. 825. Then we can divide 11 and 825 by 11. 11 times 1, 11 times 75. When we subject R, we get 75 divided by 50. 25 times 2, 25 times 3, 1.5. Now this is the interest rate for 1 month. In this question, we want to calculate annual interest rate. We can calculate the annual interest rate by multiplying monthly interest rate by 12. That is 18%. I have taught you how to calculate the interest rate when the value of an installment is given.